Let's dive into a detailed review of the UK's Co-op Bank, exploring its features and how it works. Check the description below for links to everything we discuss. The Co-op Bank is known for its ethical stance, making it a potential fit for values-driven customers. They offer current accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards, all while upholding ethical practices. Their unique policy avoids supporting industries like fossil fuels, arms trading, and animal testing, aligning with socially responsible values. Managing your money is easy with their user-friendly online and mobile platforms. They offer instant balance checks, transaction categorization, and helpful budgeting tools. If you prefer in-person support, they provide branch services and 24/7 customer assistance. Their mobile app is intuitive and simple to use. However, their ATM network isn't as widespread as some larger banks, which may be a drawback for cash users. The Co-op Bank is ideal for those prioritizing ethical banking and sustainability, combined with reliable everyday services. Whether it's a simple current account or a convenient mobile app, they deliver. While their customer service is strong, their product range isn't as broad as some competitors. So, if you need specialized banking products, you might need to explore other options. Overall, the Co-op Bank blends ethical values with solid functionality, making it a great choice for those seeking simplicity and sustainability.